Alright, so I will teach you how to make an origami water bomb. To start, you'll need a square sheet. If you're going to use printer paper like me, just follow these steps. Once you've completed that fold, you can cut or tear the excess off. Now, if not already, fold two diagonals together and crease sharply. Complete the same with the next two diagonals. Now fold the top to the bottom. Now you want to make the water bomb base. To make this, you want to open up each of those two flaps and flatten it. Again, open it up, push it forward like that, and flatten it. Now, fold. Now align these flaps with the center line that you made earlier. Once you've done that, you want to fold this side flap into the center, like this. You want to complete the same with the rest of the flaps. Now, notice how there are 4 flaps which can easily be moved, unlike the top flaps. Now you want to fold one of the flaps onto this crease. Next, fold it backwards so it makes one triangle. Unfold the triangle. Open up this pocket that we made earlier and tuck the triangle inside of it. You want to complete the same with the next 4 flaps. So again, fold the flap on the crease, make a triangle out of it, unfold it, open up the pocket, and tuck it in. once you have completed that, you're basically done with your water bomb. Now all you have to do is blow on this hole and it will inflate. Once you've inflated it, it should look something like this. And you can actually pour water in this hole and throw it on someone or something, and the water will splash out, but it will break since it's made out of paper. Anyway, see you in the next video.